This is my brother Chris's lawnmower, and it will not start. If you have a car with a manual transmission, you can start the car by putting the car in gear and getting the tires moving or the wheels moving and let the clutch out. And then the wheels will turn the engine and it will start the car. So Chris's lawnmower won't start, so we're going to attempt to do the same thing but with the lawnmower. Now the lawnmower doesn't have a clutch, but it's got this operator presence lever. So what I'm going to do is get this thing rolling and cinch down on this lever and see if we can start the lawnmower that way. Success! Sight, Chris. That wouldn't work in a million years. Your lawnmower's still broken. Success! Sight, Chris. That wouldn't work in a million years. Your lawnmower's still broken. Well, we're going to try to fix this lawnmower. I got a genuine Briggs & Stratton carburetor. It's a genuine part. Do you think it's made in Milwaukee, Wisconsin? No. It's made in China. China. And they don't even bother writing the word China anymore. It's made in CN. Ooh, ah. So this is the third year that Chris has had trouble with this lawnmower not starting, so we're just going to replace the whole carburetor. Ah, they stopped hammering over there. It must be lunchtime. Now this house that they're building is 3 times bigger and 1.5 times higher than any other house on the block. Here's the house next door. And you can barely see the house next door to that. You pan back over to this house, and the thing is a monster. I don't know how people get that kind of money. They're not repairing lawnmowers for a living, that's for sure. All right, we've got that back together, and I haven't tested it yet, but I noticed that this wheel is bent. I guess he tried to kickstart it. So I'm going to try to straighten that wheel. Well, the lawnmower started up on the first try. Now, what is the difference between the new carburetor and this carburetor? Let's find out. Well, there's nothing obviously wrong with it. I bet if we clean this out with some carburetor cleaner, it'd work. Here's where the trouble is many times. That is called the needle, I think. The needle valve. Well, it doesn't seem to be anything wrong with it. God damn, the sun's blinding me. You think it would have been out yesterday during the eclipse? Of course not. Well, what I'm going to do is spray down in there with some carburetor cleaner and put this back. And I'll put it back in the box, and I'll bet you it works next time we need a carburetor. I'm going to take the lawnmower back up to my brother Chris's house. I'm going to swap the working lawnmower for a bicycle. I'll take the bicycle and drop that off at my grandson Matthew's house. So Matt gets a bicycle and Chris gets a lawnmower, but Chris loses a bicycle. So who's making out in this deal? It sounds like Matt. And Matt doesn't even know anything about it.